the CNC Lathe machine?
I know it have another types, but I don't know its details.
Oh, you don't know a lot. So today we will make introduction to our customers. So the first is machine classification. In the PPT, we can see our CNC Lathe machine is divided into five types. The first is the SLant bed and the leaning guide with CNC Lathe. The second is the flat bed and the leaning guide with CNC Lathe. And the third is the one-piece casting and the hard guide with CNC Lathe. The fourth is the hide guide with CNC Lathe. The finally is the double spindle CNC lathe. Okay, we will make a simple introduction about the five types of CNC lathe.
Well, there are many types of CNC lathe.
Yes, because the CNC lathe is a very universal CNC machines. So it's suitable for our customers' requirements. The CNC lathe have many types and it can meet different requirements from our customers.
I think those types machine will meet our customers' requirements.
Yes. So our customer, because our customer can listen to our introduction, and I think you can find a CNC lathe machine meet your requirement. Okay, the first is SLant bed and the leaning guide with CNC lathe, and the universal model is about TCK50AY, TCK56A, TCK668, and in the PPT we can see the parameter very clearly. And our customer can see the parameter not clearly, and if you have interest, our Vincent will send you in our WhatsApp, and you can contact us by WhatsApp. And we can see it's a SLant bed CNC lathe. We can see the machine pairings. And the machine have four advantage. And the first, it have a high accuracy, and it is a Taiwan leaning guide. And the second, it has a higher speed spindle, and it can optional the whole model spindle. And the next is it has a high rigidity cost iron. And the next it is the integrated automatic lubrication. And the last it is the one-piece casting SLant bed CNC lathe. And from this PPT, our customer can have a understanding about these types of CNC lathe machine. And the next is is also the SLant bed and leaning guide with CNC lathe, and it divided the different models, and the TCK6332, the TCK6340, and the TCK6340S, and the TCK6350. And we can see the machine appearance is also the SLant bed CNC lathe, and it also have a different advantage. And this machine have a very more disadvantage. And because it's a SLant bed CNC lathe, so the angle is 45 degrees, and it also have a high accuracy and have the cheap, convenient, and have the spindle unit. And the spindle unit have two types. Our customer can choose the types is suitable for our customers, and it has a structure, and it can optional turn right. And so this machine have a more advantage. Okay, next is also the SLant bed CNC Lathe. And the first type is the TCK 36, the TCK 46, the TCK 508. And we also can see the parameter. And if you want to know the details, and you can contact us, you also can contact Vincent.
Yes.
And we can send you the clearly pictures.
Yes, we have many items SLant bed and Langat with CNC Lathe machine, and we can provide our customers many types.
Yes. So we can see the machine advantage. And from the PPT, our customer can see the advantage. It similar from the first types of the SLant bed and leading guide CNC Lathe. It also have a high accuracy Taiwan leaning guide and high speed spindle and high rigidity cost area, and it is the integrate automatic lubrication and one piece cost SLant bed CNC Lathe. Okay, we can see the picture and the SLant bed and its workpiece, the CNC lathe machine can processing. Okay, we can see the picture about the SLant bed and the leading guide CNC lathe. It's a machine in our factory. Our factory have many different semi-finished and finished CNC lathe machine. Okay, the second types is the flat bed and leaning guide CNC lathe, and the model is the H32I, H36, H46, and in the parameter we can see the mixed swing over bed is from 320 millimeter to 460 millimeter. And we can see our flat bed and lean guide CNC lathe machines machine appearance. And the work table is flat bed, so we can see the machine name, the flat bed. And the machine have four advantage. It also have the high accuracy Taiwan leaning guide and high speed spindle unite and high rigidity cost area, and it is integrated automatic lubrication. And we have a video to show our customer about the machines. And we can see the machine in our factory, and it ordered by our customers. It's H36I. Yeah, this model. Okay, the next type is the one piece cost and hard guide CNC lathe, and the model is the CK5085B, CK6152E, CK6165E. and it's a bigger CNC horizontal lathe machine, and we can see the picture. So it's suitable for the long work piece. If our customer have a long work piece want to process, and you can choose one piece cost and hard guide CNC lathe. And we can see the automatic tool center and the tool stove, and the part of the machine and the details we will make an introduction later. So don't worry, our customer, and we can make a very we can introduce the details to you. And this machine have four advantage, and it is a high stable one piece machine bed, and it has three growth bundle speed, and it can choose different speed, and the step less in grow, and it is the high rigidity pestle, and it is the window board, and it also has the automatic lubrication system. And next is also the one piece cost and the hard guide with CNC lathe, and the machine model is CK6185E, CK611100E, CK61125E. And we can see the machine is bigger than this machine. And if you want to process more bigger workpiece, and you can choose these models.
Yes, from this work table size, we can see it's like.
Yes, we can see the picture very clearly. It have a long workpiece, and it can process a long workpiece.
And it can process the tube and the longer material.
Yes. Okay, we can see the advantage is very the advantage is similar before the last model of the CNC lathe, and we have a video to show our customers. And we can see our factory, the CNC lathe is testing, and it's testing the automatic tool center. We can see the machine is very long. Okay, next is also the one piece coaster and the hard guide with CNC lathe, but this type is a little small, and it's suitable for the work piece. It's not very long, but the processing is similar with other one piece coaster and hard guide with CNC lathe, and the model is divided into two types. The first is the CK3150 and the CK3130. And we can see the picture, the machine appearance. And this machine also have five advantage. And the first is it is the high strength, and it's winding the courage and suitable for the heavy cutting, and it is a 4-position electric torch, and so our customer can choose the 4-station automatic tool center, and it can optional the hydraulic truck, and standard truck is the manual truck, and we have a video. And we can see we have many CNC lathes in our customers, and we have a big factory, and we have our machining. We have our machining shop. Okay, next is the next type, the height guide CNC lathe, and the model is CK6140D, CK6150D.
And from this picture, it doesn't ledger, and it looks small.
Yes, and we can see it also horizontal CNC lathe, and the CNC lathe machine is Winard high stability bed and have two-speed change of the two-speed change, and it's stabilized frequency conversion speed control, and it also has the automatic lubrication system. And next is also high guide with lathe. We can see the hard guide with lathe. It's also the small lathe.
Yes, from this work table, we can see the work table is 300 and 400. It looks small.
Yes, it's suitable for our customer to processing small workpiece and to processing accuracy.
Yes, it doesn't. It can't process the long work pairs.
Yes, if you want to process a long workpiece, you can choose the one piece and height guide with CNC lathe.
Yeah.
And this machine have four position, and the standard truck is the manual truck, and our customers can optional the spring collet and the hydraulic truck and the automatic feeding device, and can choose the gun type tools. So this machine have many optional parts, and it can make different requirements from our customers. And we can see the picture in our factory, and the model is CK6130 and CK6140. And we can see the videos. We can see the picture. So we have many machines in our factory. And the last is the double spindle CNC lathe, and the CTK6 2362, and it's the special CNC lathe for the special workpiece, and it have two spindle and two CNC control system.
And it can process two pairs at the same time.
Yes, and we can see the picture very clearly. The two CNC control system and two spindle. And the advantage is show our customers, and the machine have two spindles, and it is the Taiwan high leaning guide, and it high work table efficiency, and it also has automatic lubrication. And this type is okay. Next, we have make a simple introduction of our different types CNC lathe machine. Next, we will make a inclined CNC lathe. And before we start the introduction, this is a CNC lathe. Is silent processing CNC lathe. It's a very special CNC lathe for our customers. It's ordered by our customers. So our customers, if our customer have a special requirement, you also can contact Vincent and contact Clarissa, and we will give you a good deal about your requirement. And we can see the workpiece. This CNC lathe processing this workpiece. And we can see the picture. Okay, next we will mainly introduction the CNC customer list is CNC inclined list, and we can see the two machines is ordered by our customers, and we can see the machine doors, the CNC list, and the the CNC control system and the different parts. Okay, next is a very small CNC lathe in our factory is the portable CNC lathe. I know many customers need a CNC lathe, but don't have many costs, and they also want a very small CNC lathe. So our customers can choose this portable CNC lathe.
From this picture, we can see the machine is very small, but it can suitable, so it can meet every customer, so don't have many costs to choose.
Yes. Okay. 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 Next, we will make introduction about the machine industry. Okay, the machine is the hardware in industry, the plumbing, the equipment, and we can see the PPT very clearly.
No, we will remake the PPT, and we will introduce the CNC lathe machine.
Yes.
No.
Yes, if our customer is the hardware industry, and it can choose our CNC lathe machine. And if you want to processing the workpiece, and you can choose our CNC lathe. Okay, next is also the hardware industry is the Vivo, and we can see the picture. If you want to the Vivo and different types of the Vivo, and you can choose our CNC lathe machine. And if you want to know what types we can choose, and you can contact us, and you can contact Vincent, and we will recommend a suitable CNC lathe to you. And in the video, we can see is the special chart for the valve, and our machine is testing the CNC lathe machine, and the machine is processing the valve. We can see the video. Our customer may see not very clearly, and we can see again, and we can see the workpiece. and the truck can clapping the workpiece, and we can see very clearly.
Yes.
And next is hardware industry and the bearing. And I know our customers, many our customers is from the hardware industry, and they should to process they should to processing many parts, and it used for many industry. So if you want to different parts, and you also can choose the CNC Lathe. And in the PPT, we can see if you want to processing the bearing parts, and you can contact us. Okay, that is gas fittings. And if I know our customer, many our customer is processing the pipe and the wire and the different parts and the gas fittings. And if you want to processing the gas fittings, you also can contact us and can choose our CNC Lathe. Okay, and next is the electronic and the electrical engineer, and we can see they have many electrical wiring. And if you want to processing the parts in the electrical, and you also can choose CNC Lathe. CNC Lathe is a very universal machines. It can use for different industry. So our customer can choose different different types of CNC Lathe in different industry.
Yes, because this machine can process different workers. So every industry customers will choose it.
Yes. The next is instrumentation industry, and in many heat change industry and other industry, and in our life we also have the many parts, and it is used to our CNC Lathe. And if if our customer in the instrumentation industry, you also can choose our CNC Lathe. Okay, next is automobile and motorcycle industry. And in the picture, we can see the automobile and motorcycle have many parts, and the car have different parts, and this part is also can processing by our CNC Lathe. And I think if you want to processing the automobile parts, and you also can contact us. And because we have make an introduction of our machine models, we have different machine models, and we can processing the small part and the long part, and it also the heavy duty part. And so our customers can choose a suitable CNC Lathe according to your workpiece, and according to our recommend. And I think you can find a right machine in our factory, because our factory have many different machine and different CNC Lathe.
Yes, if our customers will process different parts and different workers, you can contact us. We will introduce the CNC Lathe machine, or we have sale or other machine to our customers.
Yes, so our customers, you can contact Vincent, and he will give you a very suitable machine and he can make an introduction to our CNC lathe machine. Okay, next is motorcycle parts, and we can see. I know our customers, many customers like motorcycle because my friend, my friends buy the motorcycle recently, and the motorcycle also have different parts. So if our customer is the motorcycle industry and you want processing the parts by yourself, and you can consider the CNC lathe. Okay, the next is the aerospace industry. We see the last picture, and we have many uh, automobile and the motorcycle have many different parts. And in the aerospace industry and the plant and also have many parts. So our customer also can use to the aerospace industry. It can processing the different parts. And the next is military industry, and we can see the plant. So next is graphic equipment, and I'm familiar about the industry because I very like to take photos. So the photographic equipment have different parts, and if I know the parts can processing by our CNC lathe, I'm very happy because I think my favorite and our machine is contact with. And the next is the virus waters and glasses. As we can see, it have many small workpiece to processing, and so our customers can choose the small CNC lathe. From the different industry, and I think our customers make understanding about the CNC lathe is suitable for what industry, and I think our customer are in different industry now. So if you have an interest about the CNC lathe, you can contact us. You can contact Vincent, can contact Clarissa, and I think the CNC lathe is suitable for not all but most our customers to use, and because we have many parts to use in our normal life. So if you have interest, I'm waiting for you can contact us. Okay, next is machine technology, and next we will show our customers about how the CNC lathe machine to processing. Vincent, do you have interest in this part?
Yes, the machine technology is turning processing, and we will introduce this part. I think every customers will know the machine technology, processing technology.
Yes. CNC Lathe. We all know the CNC Lathe is mainly machining technology. Is technique. We have 6 videos to show our customer different machines and different technique. And in the picture, we can see our CNC Lathe machine is the thinning pipes, and we can see the video is the internal cooling system, and we can see the cooling is spreading into the spindle. Vincent, do you know the CNC Lathe machine is the slat bed CNC Lathe or the flat bed CNC Lathe?
Yes, it's according to the work table. According to the work table, and the work table is in England, and the machine is in England since the machine. So the other is different.
Yes, we can see the processing and the spindle is into the workpiece and is turning the workpiece. And we can see the video very clearly.
Yes.
Okay, let me see the next video. And we can see it's a very big CNC lathe, and it's a big workpiece, and it also the turning the internal of the workpiece, and uh, the workpiece is also the piper. If our customer want to processing the similar workpiece, and you can choose this CNC lathe, and we can see the processing.
Yes, the pierce is processing very smoothly, and
Yes, we can see the processing very clearly, and the processing surface is very smooth. Okay, let me see the next video. Okay, we can see this machine is processing the machine surface, and we can see the surface is more smoothly. Listen, do you can see the smooth clearly? We can see again.
yes, from this video we can see the OGS is processed very smoothly, and the water is water cooling system.
Yes, we can see the truck and the tool stock, and the truck and the tool stock clapping the workpiece, and the spindle processing the workpiece. We can this machine is the CNC Lathe CNC lathe,
Yes.
and we can see the speed is very fast. Okay, let me see the next. We can see it's carting is a carting, and it have a three step speed, and the one is 50 millimeter, and we can see the next. The processing is very fast, and the spindle speed is 800 revolution per minute, and we can see this cooling system is
External cooling.
yes, it is the external water cooling system. And do you know the first video?
Yes, the first video is show the internal cooling system.
Yes, we can see see the video again. We can see the cooling system, and coolant is drained from the blue tube and it to cooling the workpiece, and we can see the external water cooling system.
Yes.
Okay, let me see the first video again. We see the internal water cooling system, and we can see the spindle.
Yes, the internal water cooling is the water is flow with the spindle.
Yes, we can see the internal. So our customers can make can take a understanding about the internal water cooling system and the external cooling system. And Vincent, do you know we have other cooling system?
Yes, I know. I know. It's all oil cooling system, but I don't know it's how to work.
Yes, I think our customer also have the question. If you know we have show our customer the water cooling system, the internal water cooling and the external water cooling. If our customers have interest about the oil cooling system, and you can contact us and follow our videos, follow our Facebook and our YouTube, and we can make introduction next time. And also, you can contact us, and Vincent will give you some pictures, some videos, show you the oil cooling system.
Yes.
Okay, let me see the next turning processing. We can see it's a large CNC horizontal lathe, and we can see the truck is very big and it's suited for the high diameter workpiece.
Yeah. Yes. From this video, we can see there are large machine in our factory, and it's kind of suitable to different customers.
Yes, we can see the video is its external water cooling system.
Yes.
So the cooling system is for our CNC machine is choose by our customers. If our customer want to choose the external cooling system, water cooling system, or internal water cooling system, we also can provide it to our customers. Okay, next is it's a very long workpiece, and we can see have many fault in the machines, and the water, because when the machine processing it can the workpiece will be very hot, and the work cooling system it reduce the uh, can reduce the temperature about the workpiece. And we can see.
But from this video, I can't see the.
Okay, next we see the turning processing, and next we have a video to show our customers the turning and milling. And this machine, I know very many customers want to buy a CNC lathe, and it can turning and milling. So we also have this machine, and it can achieve the turning and the milling. And we have a video to show our customers. And we can see the machine is very accuracy, and it have a different processing spindle.
And it's not only turning, but also the milling.
Yes. And it's the the work table moving length is 410 millimeter, and the feeding speed is 20 millimeter per minute, and we can see the two parameter. We can see the speed and the loss, and the mixed driver in the direction is 300 millimeter, and the feeding speed is 15 millimeter per minute. And we also can video to show our customers.
Yes.
And the mix spindle is 400 revolution per minute, and the motor power is the mix spindle speed is 4,000 revolution per minute, and the motor power is 3.7 kilowatt, and we can see the processing, and the machine is the milling.
Yes.
The milling workpiece.
Yes, and the milling.
And this machine is turning the workpiece, and it's turning the pipe in inner pipe. And we can see the machine is turning the workpiece and to the square machines, and we can see the parameter about this machine, and the
swinging over the bed.
Yes.
Is 520 millimeters, and the OPR's longest length is 250.
85 millimeter, and the spindle turning hole, the diameter is 50 and 5 millimeter, and the mixed spindle speed is 4,000 revolution per minute, and the mini motor power is 3.7 kilowatt.
Yes.
And we can see the parameter. Okay, next is the CNC Lathe to processing the wire, and we can see the different wire, and we have a video to show you the processing. And we can see it is the CNC horizontal lathe machine to processing the wire. We can see our worker is show the workpiece. So if our customer you want to process this workpiece, and you can contact us, and our machine can.
Our machine can send the sample to
Yes.
our customers.
Yes. And the next video.